welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing. And in today's video, I got the other one, the magazine. I asked them through the email why did they send me the wrong one. I asked them to send me a new one, and they did. Reach out like a couple of days later, and then I couldn't pick it up because it was delivered to the post office, but I eventually got it. I don't know how much later this is posted, but it's been like a week, almost a week between those two magazines. And yeah, let's open the new one and see this flash fish out of the package. Let's open it. And here it is. Now read this magazine off of camera. This isn't in English, so you won't understand anything. But let's open this fast fish. This is apparently exclusive to the magazine. And here it is. Just wait a bit, I'm gonna get the other magazine to compare them against each other. And here is the original one. Now you can see I'll just do only fantasies for these. I was very disappointed when I actually found out that this one, Let's Go, was actually released previously in 2022. Let's hope that the same isn't with the Fast Fish. And that's it for this video. This was a two-part series where I accidentally got the first one, and now I got a second one. And now I'm gonna catch up on what happened in the first and the second magazine. Bye bye!